much, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, is everything alright? Sir. Hey. What is this now? Sir, what is it? Hey. Sir, what's the problem?
I think he's asthmatic.
Sir, what is it?
He's asthmatic. Listen to his inhaler. Let me come.
Jesus.
Let's hurry up. Let's hurry up.
Hey, see money. Hey, see money everywhere. Jesus.
Nancy, what is keeping you now?
I'm coming.
Hurry up, please.
See money. Hey, see money, oh. Hey.
Hey, sir. Somebody. Nancy! Sir.
I'm coming. I need to pack all this money. At least if I use this one and start up a business for myself, let's leave this begging that I'm begging here.
Hey, what is keeping her? Sir. Hey, what do I do? I'm coming, I'm coming.
Hey, see money, see free money. Miracle no dey tire Jesus. See money.
Nancy, what is keeping you now? Go. What are you doing?
See money.
I should see money, Neche.
Amara, God has blessed us. See money.
Nancy, what are you doing with somebody's money? Neche, keep his money. The money does not belong to you. Why do you want to take somebody's money?
Wait now, calm down.
Is this the inhaler I asked you to come and find?
Wait now. Amara, see, let me tell you. You know we've been begging since. So if we just pack all this money and look for something and start up a business.
Neche, are you for real?
Think about it now.
I should think about what, Neche? So you're trying to tell me that this money is more important than that man's life?
I didn't say that, but at least money is also important.
Neche,
Amara,
I understand that we need money, but taking what does not belong to us, I am not a part of it. Please excuse me.
Amara, wait. Amara, see, just take some money. Take your own part of the money.
I should take what? Neche, are you out of your mind? No, can you listen to yourself? Let me tell you, I am not involved with this your stealing act.
Amara, wait. So you want to tell me that you want to leave all this money? You want to leave all this money and go and save that man's life?
Neche.
As your father now?
Neche,
is he your brother?
Is this what you have to say to?
He's not even your cousin. Just leave him. We'll pack this money and run.
Because he is not related to you, you now want to steal from him.
And he's not stealing. This is God blessing us.
Blessing us.
Now just collect some.
Let me tell you something. I am not a part of this, and do not involve me in your stealing acts. Get away from me.
Amara.
I am not a part of this act.
Amara. Hey. Sorry now. That's why I said this guy is always missing opportunities. Because of this, our slow mind.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.